Hey guys, so today we're going to be reviewing the Acorns Investment App. I'm going to give you an honest review and whether or not it is actually worth it. I'll go through the pros, I'll go through the cons I had, and even the pricing. Okay? Now, I've used this, I would say, about a year. Okay? And what really drew me in is the roundup feature that they have. So basically, the roundup feature is where every time I make a purchase with a linked card, Acorn basically goes ahead and rounds up to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change once it hits, let's say, $5. Okay, it's basically truly a set it and forget it investing. And what I really loved was that how fast, that small amount, those small amounts basically add up without me even noticing. So it's perfect for building up an investing habit without feeling like you're sacrificing, anything significant. Okay, I love the simplicity, the automation that they have, the suite of products that they have, really good. The APY they offer was actually pretty good. So every time you make a purchase, you can see the change $0.75. This one becomes investment, right? So you're investing every time you're spending. So that's a good feature they have. I really liked it. And the APY was great. They had a good APY. I think what I had for savings, it was $4.05 percent. So for every a dollar. So what I didn't like if you look at the price, okay, it's $3 a month for the cheapest plan. Now the issue is if you're not even saving or investing even $3 or the returns, basically I would like to at least make returns more than what I'm putting in. So this doesn't make sense for you if you are spending $3, $6, even $12 a month and you're not even, making investments of that much or your returns are not even that much. But some would argue that at least you're building a habit. You're building that investment habit. So you could go for it. And even the portfolio to invest in, it was quite limited. I'm not gonna lie, it was a limited portfolio, and the fees associated with the Bitcoin linked ETF, which is a new option. I found it to be a bit higher than some of the other Bitcoin ETFs available, so just keep those in mind. But otherwise, definitely worth it. I use it. If you are someone who struggles to save and invest regularly, you'll benefit from the roundups. Honestly, trust me, you'll benefit. It'll help you build that habit, And before you know it, you have a good stack, right? So if you found this honest review helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.